Hello everyone, we will start our new chapter 5, that is subtraction up to 20. Subtraction means minus, okay? And this is the sign of minus. As you can see here, this is the sign of minus. Got it, children? This is the sign of subtraction, or we can say the sign of minus. So what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Okay? Subtraction means taking away. Suppose Amit has 7 candies. What he has? 7 candies. And he has 7 candies. How many candies he has? 7. And he ate 4 candies. How many candies he ate? 4 candies. So how many candies left with him? So minus 4. So this is a symbol of minus, yes or no? So how we will find? He has 7 candies. See, this 7 candies he has. And he ate how many candies? 4 candies. So we will cut the 4 candies from the 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3. So this is called subtraction, means taking away from the number. And one more thing, whenever we are doing subtraction, we will do from bigger number. We cannot do from smaller number. Clear children? We cannot do from smaller number. We cannot write here 4 minus 7. Okay? Why? Because we can cut 7 from 4. No. So this is wrong. We cannot cut 7 from 4. Clear children? We cannot cut 7 from 4. This is wrong. So we have to write 7 minus 4. Why? Because we can cut 4 from 7. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can cut 4 from here now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? So the answer is 3. So this is called subtraction. Now again one more. Suppose I have 5 bowls. How many bowls I have? 5 bowls. And I gave 3 bowls to my friend. How many bowls I gave? 5 minus 3, because I have to cut 3. Why? Because I gave 3 bowls to my friend. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? How many bowls left? 1, 2. So this is the way to do subtraction. So clear children about subtraction? What do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. But in addition, we are counting together. Clear? And in addition, we know we can write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to also 5. But in subtraction, it is not possible. In subtraction, it is not possible. Why? Because 3 minus 2 we can do 1, but 2 minus 3 we cannot do. Got it, children? Why? Because we cannot cut from a smaller number. So we are always doing subtraction from bigger number. Okay, so let's see how to do vertical subtraction. Vertical means, you know now, this is vertical, this way. This way means vertical, means standing line. So let's see. So 8 minus 2. So what is this? 8 minus 2 means from 8. Suppose you think that this is 8 lines. 8. This is 8 lines. And from 8 lines we have to cut how many lines? 2 lines. So 1, 2. How many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. So this is called vertical subtraction, vertical way of subtracting. Okay children, one more. 9 minus 5. Now again you think you have 9 stick. Now from 9 stick we have to cut how many stick? 5 stick. The below number we have to cut this number of stick we have to cut from 9. So what is this? This is 5. So cut it 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Now clear children how to do? Okay, so let's start our exercise 5A. Our exercise 5A. Cross out to subtract means here we have to put the cross mark to get the answer. Clear children? We will here cross out to get the answer. So 5 minus 2. Suppose I have 5 laddus. How many laddus I have? And I ate 2 laddus. So how many laddus left? So how many laddus I have to cross out? 2 laddus. So 1, 2. Cross out. So how many laddus left? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. And why I am writing here once, you know na? Only one number is there, that is one number is there, so I am writing here once. You know, we have learned in addition chapter also. Yes or no? Now I have 5 lollipops and I ate 1. So how many lollipops I have to cross out? Yes, 1. So cross out 1 lollipop. And how many lollipops left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Very easy the subtraction. We have to just cross out. Now I have 8 balls and I gave 3 balls to my friend. So how many balls I have to cross out? We have to cross out this number of balls. So what is this? This is 3. So that means we have to cross out 3 balls. So 1, 2, 3. So how many balls left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Got it? Okay. So next question. I have 7 flowers and I have to cut 2 flowers from the 7 flowers. So this is 2. So 1, 2. So how many flowers left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Got it? Now again I have 9 ice cream and I ate 4 ice cream. So how many ice cream I have to cut? I ate how many ice cream? 4. So I have to cut 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many ice cream left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So I have 7 balloons and I gave 6 balloons to my friend. So how many balloons I have to cut from here? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many balloons left? 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. Got it children? Okay. Now again question number G. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 means we have to cut 8. We have to cut 4 from 8. Yes or no? 4 from 8. So cut it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many apples left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Done. So this is the way how to cross out to get the answer. We are crossing the number of given objects to get the answer. Got it children? So this is exercise 5A. I hope you understand how to do subtraction. And subtraction means taking away. We are taking away from 5. We are taking away from 5. We are taking away from 7. We are taking away from 9. We are taking away from 7. We are taking away from 8. That means when we are taking away, we are crossing the numbers. The number which we are taking away, we are crossing to get the answer. Got it children? So you practice it at home